action, and we are here in Hopkinsville, Kentucky to see the total solar eclipse. Lee, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited, and you can check back on us later and to see the thing in action. 我在看太阳. That means I am looking up at the sun.
是，真好热. That means it's very hot. Taiyang sun. It is almost the total eclipse, so we are all getting ready. It's getting really, really dark out. Don't look that dark. It's gonna get really dark out.
Looks like there's storm clouds. It just looks like there's storm clouds since this is getting so dark.
And we just saw a plane that came through, and that plane is following the sun, and it's trying to get, if there's people inside it, it follows the eclipse all the way down the line. So get ready to be amazed.
Wow.
这个是太阳. That means that is the sun. Eloise, what is that in the sky? What was that? It's moon. It's the moon? Yeah. Well, actually, that's the sun. Lee, what does it look like?
It looks like a wire. There's a really hot wire.
Check back with you later. Here we go. It's getting so dark.
Did you just see that? That's so much darker. There it is.
Almost there.
Oh my God.
Wow. I'm taking pictures of myself.
This is Virginia from Language Connection, and this is it. This is the total eclipse. Like, I thought it would just be like, oh, that's fine, but it is better than fine. I think the sun is like very, very slowly, like slower than slow motion, coming out. You can kind of see it coming out.
Okay, let's sign off.
I really don't want these 2 minutes to go by.